Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into June's Journey game step by step. If you've just downloaded and finished off the tutorial on June's Journey, and if you want to go ahead and log in, go ahead and open up the June's Journey application first and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Once you do that, you'll end up in the settings menu where you need to click social at the top. Inside social, tap on edit connection on the right, and then you can go ahead and log in with Facebook or Google option. Choose any one method you'd like to use to save progress across multiple devices on June's Journey. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on the sign in with Google option. Now, select your Google account you'd like to sign in with on the next page, or add another account if the account you are trying to use is not available. Soon after you do that, you'll then be able to connect June's Journey with your selected social account. Now, your saved progress, achievements and item should now appear. Make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection so that the login works. And that's it. Now you're successfully logged into June's Journey and ready to dive back into the captivating mysteries of the game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.